right, time for some Ponzu sushi. So it's the 3 blade signs, replacing the faces on those. And then we have also the main signs for the building. Still working on those, the vitro and all that. But I went ahead and got the blade signs sorted so that way you guys can get cracking on that. So Ponzu sushi's in, stout is out. Just had to say it. So it looks like this. We've got 3 locations, same blade signs, 3 locations. So 6 total faces. So let me show you what I'm thinking on that. Not too difficult, but I'll show you what's up. So let's get after it. So I started to take a look at how these were built and had a happy little byproduct, a little thing that worked out on our behalf. In order for these to be built originally, because they had that wood on there was 3 wood strips that had to be screwed on. Plus all this had to be stud mounted onto the faces through the wood. So I had to make the faces. If you recall, the faces were removable. They weren't intended to be removable. It's just that they had to be put on after everything was done to assemble them. So if you recall, there's 4 keyhole slots that lock into some 1024 sort of bolt thing, and then it slides in, and then the top skin is cut in half, and there's screws that actually secure it in place. So what we have is like a blade sign with permanent edges on the sides and the bottom, and then the top is in half and it comes off. What that means though is this whole stout with the wood and everything, just undo the screws at the top for install, pop it up a little bit, and it comes right out as a cartridge. So everything comes out, the wood and everything. So essentially we have 6 cartridges to make and just a quick replace. So hopefully it's like a hot swap. So it should work out just right. Happy little byproduct, little accident there. So I just capitalized on that. So really it's easy for you cats. So what we got to have is just the 6 faces. It's just a 1-2 bend. Let's do the lay of the land actually. So you got that there. You got 6 faces coming at you. And then you have the top piece, the top skin piece. Those are going to be out of 1/8 to match up for what's there. And then we have the 1/2" acrylic. Some of it goes to laser. It all goes to route, but we have these little letters. That's going to be the fun part for you cats. You've got 440 tapped, little tiny letters. So that way it goes to, like I said, they go ahead and get lasered out, but you're going to be hand tapping those. So for this guy, it's going to be what we do. We do the 1 and then we do the 1, and then you're going to open the jaw all the way, slide it inside, and you're going to clamp from this side and clamp from this side. I did go ahead and make it. I remembered to make it actually a 1/16 under 2. That way you have a little bit of room to slide in, but you will have to open the jaw all the way, get it in there. So, but pretty simple for you guys. Just got to bend it up. 1 2 1 2. Mic check. And then you're just going to lords on the 1/8" piece to the top, and then just make sure the small point here is to the face, and then that's to the back, obviously, for the legs there. So you're just going to lords those on to all 6, and then that's it. Out it goes to paint. This part here gets painted black to match what's out there, and then this is going to get that faux finish that we've seen that tester in the conference room and whatnot. So that's it. Now, when it comes time for this stuff, we have the big letters, and the little swooshy thing here is going to be 1024 brass inserts. Knock those in, good to go. Now all 6 sets fit onto one little brick. I made it an even number, 6 by 14. So what's going to happen is this gets sent to route. Unfortunately, he's going to have to use a 16th bit to get these little holes. And then these are all going to be 440. Now, if I look through my stuff, I don't even know if I have anything for 440. I barely worked with that when I was in the back shop. So that being said, I went ahead and brought in some stuff for you cats just in case we don't have anything. So I brought in some 3/4 studs plus hardware for that. And then I also brought in some various sizes of small little screws. So it's going to be real fun when you guys go to assemble this. You're going to have to get your jeweler loop out and get your watchmaker on, because this is going to be fiddly. But like I said here though, pro tip, let's make sure that once this comes off of route, make sure you guys get a hold of it real quick and go ahead and tap everything while it's solid. There you go. Thinking. And then that way, when it goes to laser, they can just laser it out, and then we're good to go. That being said, with laser, it's just a 6 by 14. I'll leave it up to you to figure out how to home it, but I'm going to send this file over, and then you can figure out. I was thinking even you could do like a piece of that cardboard stuff and then just burn out a 6x14 square. And then when you put that in there, it should all show up. It should all line up perfectly. So anyway, but again, make sure it's 440 tapped before we pop them all out. So, but other than that, that's all you guys got to do. Do some bendy. Oops, I'm on the wrong one here. Do some bendy, do some lords, and then send it out to paint, and then just reassemble when you get it, and blade signs are done. So, and like I said, install, all you got to do is take these screws here out, pop these out, put the new faces in, re-screw it down. We should be laughing. So, all right. So if you have any questions, hit me up. I'll be working on the main sign soon, and you'll be getting those. So like I say, good luck. We're all counting on you.